Hello everyone, so I have with me physical education semester 1 examination question paper as well as answer key. So I have gone through the answer key and I have marked the correct answers in this question paper. Okay, so let us go through it one by one and you can check your exams performance, how you did it. Okay, so let's go through it. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1, the objective of tournament is D, to help the players acquire new skills. Okay, then question number 2. Question number 2. Physical education ensures overall development of an individual. Okay. Then question number 3. Buys can be implemented in first round of the tournament. D is the correct answer. Number 4. Which of the following is not a benefit of circuit training? The answer is D. Adaptation to various kinds of speed. Okay. Now question number 5. Which of the following is an obvious effect of warming up? The answer is B. Increase in the speed of oxygen and fuel transfer. Question number 6. Fartlek training comprises the intensity or the movement frequency changes irregularly. A is the correct answer for number C. Number 7. Number 6 we have already done. Okay, so now I have number 7. Question number 7. IAAF stands for C, International Association of Athletic Federation. Then question number 8. Fartlek training was first started in Sweden. C. Sweden. C. Then number 9. Number 9. Plank is a type of isometric exercises. Then number 10. The term terrace training is also used for interval training. Okay, interval training. Just interval training. Okay, then number 11. The advantage of warming up does not include C, decrease in the rate of nerve impulse in the conduction. Okay, question number 12. Isotonic exercises are also known as dynamic contractions. Then 13. NIS, commonly known as National Institute of Sport, is located at Patiala. Number 14. Which of the following is not a demerit of league tournament? Answer is C, fair opportunity. Question number 15. Which of the following is a formula to find out the number of matches played in a single league of tournament? The answer is C. Number 16. Which sport is BCCI associated with? D, cricket. Number 17. Staircase method is used in league tournament. D is the correct answer. Question number 18. ICC stands for International Cricket Council. Number 19. The term intramural is derived from the Latin word, which is that? Intramuros. B is the correct answer, intramuros. 20. What is the minimum professional degree required to teach physical education at school level? The answer is BP Ed. Okay, BP Ed, Bachelor of Physical Education. Okay, Bachelor of Physical Education. 21. LNIP is a university under the jurisdiction of D, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Question number 22. Who is the founder, Secretary General of IOA? The answer is B, Dr. A.Z. Nohren. 23. 17th August 1957 will be remembered as a memorable day for physical education and sports in India because B. It is a foundation day of LNIPE. LNIPE. 24. Indian Olympic Association was formed in the year 1927. 25. Which sport is Santosh Trophy associated with? Answer is football. The maximum number, question number 27. The maximum amount of resistance one can move in a given number of time is called repetition maximum. Repetition maximum. 28. 28. The main objective of cooling down session is recovery. Question number 28. In which of the following types of exercises the length of a muscle does not change? The answer is isometric exercises. Isometric exercises. Number 29. The major components of conditioning programs are all the above: warm up of stretching, development of joint flexibility, development of muscular strength. So all the above is the right answer. Question number 30. The methodical way of preparing oneself to achieve predetermined goals is termed as training. 31. When and where was IOC formed? Answer is Paris, that is on June 25th, 1894. 32. Which one of the following is not an aim of SAI? The answer is degrading the skills of Indian sportsmen. 33. In cyclic method of league tournament, how many rounds will be conducted if there are 9 teams playing the tournament? The answer is B, 9. 34. International Olympic Committee organizes Olympics in every 4 years. Every 4 years. Number 34A, 4 is the correct answer. 35. Which institute is also known as Mecca of Indian sports? The answer is Netaji Subhas National Institute of Sports, that is in Patiala. 36. Which of the following is not an international sports organization? Answer is IOA. 'Who considered sports training a pedagogical process based on scientific principles aiming at preparing sportsmen for higher performance? Answer is Hardayal Singh. 38. In which of the following tournaments does a team get eliminated from the tournament if it is defeated once? If it is defeated once, the answer is knockout. Answer is knockout. 39. Elections of Indian Olympic Association held once in 4 years at the annual meeting. Once in 4 years. 40. Which of the following pairs of tournaments and their type is not correct? The answer is D, challenge tournament, double league tournament. 41. Lakshmi Bai National University of Physical Education is located at B, Gwalior. 'Gwalior. Then 42. Which of the following is a career option in physical education? Answer is A, sports journalist. 43. An advantage given to a team to avoid first round in a knockout tournament is called by repetition training. Question number 44. Repetition training helps to build a quality of endurance. 45. Strength training builds muscle mass. A, muscle mass. Strength training builds muscle mass. 46. Which of the following is not a merit of league tournament? Answer is C, tournaments can be finished in a short period of time. 47. How many columns will be there in tabular method of league tournament if 9 teams are participating? Answer is B, that is 11. 48. Which of the following is not a component of warming up exercises? The answer is C, sitting. 49. Which one of the following exercise helps in bringing the blood flow to the normal mode? The answer is cooling down exercise. 50. Number C, that is chiropractors. Okay, chiropractors do not recommend the use of medicines or surgery to recover from an injury in sports. Chiropractors. C. Then 51. Which of the following is not a feature of important sports training? Answer is D, increase the chances of injury. 52. Anaerobic exercises. Anaerobic exercises usually last for less than 1 minute. 53. In which of the following training methods the load usually lasts between 30 to several hours? Answer is C, continuous training method. Then 54. Ladder and pyramid tournaments are types of challenge tournament. C. 55. How many byes will be given in lower half if there are 11 teams in a knockout tournament? Answer is 3. 56. When is limbering down exercise done? After the game. Interval training improves the functioning of a heart. In which one of the following method no bye is given? Answer is staircase. Then 59. Tournament is a series of contests between number of competitors competing for an overall prize. Tournament, okay. 59. Answer is tournament. 60. When was Sports Authority of India founded? 1984. Which one of the following option is not a purpose of IOC? D, to discriminate among various players. 62. What is the disadvantage of cooling down exercises? C, proper supply of blood and oxygen to muscles. 63. The method of training that involves exercises performed constantly with intensity and speed is known as continuous training. 64. Which one of the following method is used to draw the fixture of single league tournament? The answer is staircase method. Which knockout tournament method helps to determine the top 3 winners? The answer is Bagnall Wild Elimination Tournament. 66. Warm-up exercises reduces the chances of injury. Then 67. The answer is participation. Okay. Who introduced isometric exercises to increase the strength of muscles? The answer is Hetneger Muller. 69. Which of the following is not a merit of tournament? Answer is chances of physical injury leading to depression. Question number 70. What is the tenure of the president of IOC? The answer is 8 years. So my dear students, so this is the end of today's physical education question paper. Okay, so hope you all have done it properly. So now you have to focus on tomorrow's exam. So tomorrow you have political science. So my dear students, all the best for your tomorrow's exam. Give your best. So let us now sign off. Take care, stay safe, and give your best.